Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make black soap shampoo and make it in such a way that is healthy and it will help your hair to grow just like my daughter's hair. I have never used anything outside of natural products on our hair, and look at our hair. And let me tell you, it wasn't always like that. This is how our hair used to be, but now look at how it is so pretty, long and healthy. And I'm also going to share with you the benefits of African black soap for hair, so stay tuned. Some people don't like African black soap for hair because it makes their hair dry, but in this video I'm going to share with you how to make it in such a way that it is very healthy and it clarifies your hair without leaving it dry and crusty. So for the size of this black soap, I'm putting in 5 cups of water. That cup is 1 cup measurement. So I put it on the stove because I'm going to melt it. And melting the black soap also helps a whole lot. And here I'm using my shredder to shred it. This is an old shredder and I use it for only this purpose, to shred my black soap. And after that I will pour hot water into it. This channel is called Healthy Parenting because we encourage parents to make out time to do what is healthy for themselves and for their family. Liking the video so far? If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much. Here are the benefits of African black soap for hair. Number 1, cleansing. Black soap can exfoliate and deeply clean hair and the scalp. It can also help treat scalp diseases. Number 2, hydration. Black soap can hydrate hair and soothe an itchy scalp. So, after shredding your black soap, you now pour hot water into it. The reason is that it melts faster and it will also help you to filter the black soap because it usually comes with dirt. So you allow it to dissolve for some time, and while waiting for it to dissolve, you boil water because we're going to use double boiler method and add other ingredients into the black soap while it is still hot. So first is jojoba oil. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, also 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. If you are wondering why fractionated coconut oil, because this one doesn't get hardened, so it stays like that, and it's good for your bathroom pipe. And the next one is emulsifying wax. So this is going into the boiling water on the stove. So I'm going to allow that to melt, and I will then pour it into the black soap. The purpose of the emulsifying wax is to give your hair slick while washing it, and it will not make your hair to be dry. And also the oils, the coconut oil and the jojoba oil, will make your hair to not dry out. So here the black soap has melted very well, so I filter it and you can see the dirt. That's why you have to filter your black soap. So after filtering it, the oil, the emulsifying wax have been melted, and then I poured it into it. So those are the additions that will make your black soap to not dry out your hair, and you don't have to be scared of using black soap on your hair because it has amazing benefits. So after all those additions, I now use my immersion blender to mix everything in, and then I'm going to allow it to cool down a little bit more because we still have more things to add. I mean, this is why it works so much for us. Also, another benefit of African black soap is that it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Black soap can help fight dandruff and other scalp conditions. So here I'm going to add glycerin and also guar gum. Why am I doing that? Glycerin attracts moisture into the hair, so it's very good for the hair. And coagum is a thickening agent. I mean, it's gonna make your shampoo not to be so watery, but it will just have a nice consistency, and you're gonna see how it will turn out. So keep watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a like and try out this my black soap shampoo, and you will not buy any shampoo again, I promise, because this is amazing. And keep watching because I'm gonna add some wonderful additions, more things to make your wash day a happy day. So keep watching. So after mixing the coagum and the vegetable glycerin, I pour it into it, and then I use my immersion blender once more time and mix it up. Another benefit of African black soap for hair is that it promotes hair growth. Black soap contains vitamins A and E, which can help hair grow thicker and longer. You see why my daughter's hair is growing longer? This is the secret. So after mixing it up, I now added vitamin E oil and also preservative. Vitamin E oil acts as an antioxidant, so you need that also in your black soap shampoo. And also preservative, because you added water to it, you need to preserve it as well. And besides, your hair doesn't want something that is bad, so you need the preservative. So I mixed that in, and after that I added fragrant and essential oils. Here I have orange, peppermint essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. So I put in 10 drops of orange essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, and 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. I usually use Young Living brand because it is organic. These essential oils add to the scent and the benefits in the shampoo. We all know that peppermint is great because of the menthol. Rosemary is amazing for hair growth, and also the orange essential oil. They are very good for hair products. So after that I mix it, and then now I'm going to turn it into these containers. One is a reusable container, the white one, and the other one I got it from Amazon. So for easy dispensing, I'm going to turn it into a cup that has a funnel mouth, so I don't really need funnel for it. So here we go. So this is what I've been using. And another benefit of African black soap is anti-aging. The antioxidants in black soap can help combat aging of hair follicles. Why wouldn't you love to use this for your hair? I mean, it combats aging of hair follicles. This is why I use it for myself and for my family. And on this day, my hair was already dirty, and I used it to wash my hair as well. And I can't remember the last time I got shampoo, because I've been using this for close to 5 years now. And that my little girl, she's 4 years old. And let me tell you, it is helpful, it is healthy, it is natural, and they are all organic. And I use organic products for myself and for my family. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So this is the result. This is how it looks like, and stay tuned because we're going to test this out on our doll. There you have it. How to make your own shampoo at home from black soap, and add organic ingredients to it that makes it mild and beneficial to your hair. Here we have my doll. So this is what I used to teach my oldest how to make hair, and she made those twists. You see how cute they are. So I'm gonna loosen a few of them and I'm going to wash it with the black soap shampoo, and you're going to see that it's not going to dry your hair out. I mean, how would it dry your hair out when you have jojoba oil, essential oils, you have all that oils in it? It's not possible. So I make the best shampoo, I mean black soap shampoo. And when people say it dries their hair out, I'm like, nope, not my own, not my own. So this is to show you that making your own shampoo is possible, and you know what you put in it. You are not afraid of harsh chemicals. So this was to test the shampoo on the doll, and you can see that it foams pretty well. The hair is shiny and not crusty or dry. Instead, it's shiny, and this is how it will be for you. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And there you have it, how to make your own shampoo, and you add peppermint oil and rosemary oil to it. So this mama's hair was dirty and she needed to wash her hair. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.